balancing equations and mastering chemistry. Just want to show you how this works because you will need to put in subscripts and physical states and make sure that you feel comfortable with using the little template boxes that they give you. I'm going to do part A. This is sodium nitrate, which is a solid. That's an S in the parentheses, which can break down probably when you heat it to sodium nitrite, again a solid, and oxygen. When you look at balancing the equations, you'll see that the oxygens are out of balance, and what's really happening is each sodium nitrate is losing one oxygen. But since when you form oxygen it needs to be diatomic O2, you're going to need 2 sodium nitrates to undergo this change. So in putting in the balanced equation, I need 2 sodium nitrates, and here is where I'm going to need to use the subscript template, and it sort of immediately goes into back into regular numbers, and it really is not giving me any room to put spaces in. And actually I don't want a plus sign there. I want an arrow, a forward arrow, and I'm going to get 2 sodium nitrites, and again I'll need to put in a parentheses 2. But what I forgot back here was that this is a solid, and I need to do the same thing over here. And then I'm going to get an O, and again I'll need to use the subscripts for O2, and this is a gas. And let's see if it likes this. And it tells me it's correct, so it's happy with it. I noticed that I really did not put in any spaces in between anything. It actually may not let you put in those spaces, but again, in this box you get a subscript, a superscript, and then you can use these for fractions. Or this could be a stack superscript and subscript. For example, if you were doing an isotope and you needed a mass number and an atomic number. And I'm not sure what we would use that for. And then you also have a few Greek letters: alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, gamma, and nu. This will allow you to undo something, redo something, to reset it, short. And you may or may not be interested in using those. They look like they're more trouble than they're worth. And then there is a help button, which will give you some information if you need it.